Guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, this is SisiMoo's TV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and thumbs up. So today is all about aloe vera. This is my aloe vera plant. As you can see, it's growing nicely because I took care of it. It's growing nicely. The water is every day. So growing beautifully. So today is all about skincare tips, and it's all about aloe vera. Aloe vera is extensively used in cosmetics and beauty products for all good health reasons. It has antiviral and antibacterial properties, and it has the ability to treat your skin effectively. However, it's known for helping to manage constipation, diabetes, and other health problems. The gel in aloe vera can be applied to heal wounds, soothing skin. Let me just say its benefits are countless. So these are some of the benefits of aloe vera for skin use. It can act as a moisturizer. It helps fight sunburn. It fights aging. It fights acne. Then it also helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. So let's see how we can use it to manage our skin. How we add aloe vera to some of the good products that we have.
Okay, let's see.
So we are cutting out some of the ones we are going to use. Cut it from the root. Let's get started and see how you peel off the outer layer of the aloe vera then you take out the gel. As you can see, this is the because today we have 3 ways of using aloe vera in your skin. So its benefits are countless. You don't even name it for. So after scooping out the aloe vera, there are 3 ways we're going to tell you how to use aloe vera on your skin. You can use the aloe vera direct. Put one in your hand. And use it directly to your skin. That's the first remedy. You can use it directly on your skin like this, and you massage it on your skin. This is the first method of applying aloe vera on your skin. You apply it directly. Even you rub it on your neck and leave it for some minutes. You can leave it at least 1 hour to dry on your skin. Then you wash with water. That's the first. The second benefit of how to use aloe vera as a moisturizer is you take 1 spoon of aloe vera gel, put it in a plate, then add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, organic olive oil, 1 or 2 teaspoons. And mix all together. So after mixing, you apply it directly on your skin. You can use it on your skin as well. You can use it on your skin. We moisturize it on your face and neck. And you leave it for like 30 minutes and rinse with cold water. That's the second benefit of aloe vera gel. So the third one, take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel.
Let me in or let me go. Honestly, try honestly.
2 teaspoons of coconut oil.
Let me fly, I've got my hopes. But I can hardly see why I'm still chasing. It's not worth it for me anymore. Been burned 100 times, I'm lost. I just can't let this go. Every last chance I had is gone. But I just can't let you know.
That's the second benefit. That's the third benefit. So the fourth benefit is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Two teaspoons of lemon juice. And mix all together. You can use any of the methods you like. And apply that directly to your face. For like 1 hour or so and wash with cold water. And let me know what you think of our recipe and what other recipe you would like to see on our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And don't forget to turn off the notification bell to notify you of our new uploads. Thank you. Catch you in my next video.